All right, now the final part of this question was to say, what is the range of values for which there would be no point of contact? There's no point of intersection. Well, we know there's a point of intersection if we've got negative 0.1547 for the k value here, for the y-intercept. And we know there's one point of contact if it's as high as 2.1547. But we want to find where there's no point of contact. So there's no point of contact if it's going to be less than this and greater than this. So we want this point to be somewhere in between these two. Going to be somewhere in between these two. And the points somewhere in between these two are going to be anything less than 0.1547. So we could state this, and we could just we could write this. I rather like the way I wrote it before. So let's see what I actually put. And in fact, I wrote here. So I'm going to write the same thing. Is there are going to be we could say there will be no points of intersection for the straight line with gradient equals negative 1/3, and either of the hyperbola curves when the value of the y-intercept of the straight line, the straight line, I have to do it here, conforms to, so it's going to have to be k is going to have to be less than this one up here, which is 2.1547, and it's going to have to be greater, though, than this one down here, which is negative 0.1547. So that is the inequality which describes the interaction between these two lines, such that there is no point of intersection between the straight lines and the curves of the hyperbola. And that is how I would state that. By the way, sorry about my writing. My arthritis is not good. So I can't write very well. But okay, hopefully that makes sense.